That's the risk you take, isn't
I've
it?
told you everything I know. I even showed you the garage. I can even take you to the garage to say what he told me. He said, I think it could be a piston ring unless we take the engine out. I do not know. I'm not prepared to take the engine out because it's 800 quid to take the engine out. So on a second-hand engine, it's 1,000 quid. I'm already up to 2,000 quid. And like that's without having a cam belt done, that's without having anything else on. That is just to take the engine out and put a new engine in at 2,000 quid. That then puts this car, for me, because I paid 6,000 for it, at 8,000 pounds.
We are two brothers. In a free time, we're looking for good car deals, fixing and selling as a hobby. And today we're looking into this VW Scirocco. We won on eBay for £2,000 and we think we can make a good profit on it.
I'll risk it.
I want.
Gee, what is the issue with this car?
Rattling at idle. It's misfiring, but when you drive it on second, third gear and on a motorway, it goes fine. You pump it up and you can see that smoke is coming.
Oh, right.
I can see what's coming here.
Oh, yeah.
I've got some kind of air leak in this area. It should be airtight vacuum.
Right.
It's a cheap smoke machine. Does the job, yeah.
Yeah, it does, huh?
Not to burn this car. I'm meeting my brother G. He's coming, going to work on VW. We did a few tests later on, and it appears that the pressure in cylinder 3 is very low. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All day going around. Where is a little problem? Couple screws are screwed. I'll need to drill through.